This is a week into it, and every time I run my hands through this hair, it is tangling like like nobody's business. I mean, like, nobody gonna know because like it don't look like that, so I wouldn't be out in public running my fingers through my hair. But girl, trust and believe, this is a tangler. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So today, I'm just coming to you guys with yet another update. This one is going to be on this unit that I'm wearing, which is the Outre Arlena unit. And girl, let's just get into the tea on this unit because number one, she is an absolute tangler. As you can see, I actually picked up this light silk spray that I've seen a lot of YouTubers talking about, that they said is really good for helping maintain synthetic units because it is a pure silicone spray, so it's supposed to help soften and kind of just help maintain your unit. So I used two different pure silicone sprays. I think they're made from the same company. They actually look pretty similar, but the bottles look a little different. So I just went in on each side and used each bottle. I used one bottle on this side, one bottle on this side. It feels a little bit softer, but as a whole, I really do feel like these products work good. I probably would have just rather used it at a sooner time period than right now. So it did revive it, I feel like, to the best of its abilities. But like, honey, it is still not what I'm looking for. So you do get your typical cap construction with this. You do get your two combs in the front, your one comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. Doesn't really come pre-plucked, but honestly, what can you ask for? This unit was like $25, and it does have a singular HD lace part. So this front hairline situation, it's not awful, and it does give you baby hair, so you can kind of go in and manipulate it to your liking. Just the way that it's falling and everything, it's kind of covering it up anyway. I have been wearing this for a week, and more than anything, the shedding's not really the issue. It's 100% the tangling. After about 3 days of wearing this unit consistently, the tangling started just getting out of control. At this point of it being like day 7, like it's just enough for me. I think the way that it looks seems like I could probably get another week out of it, but the way that it feels, honey, I think this bad boy's about to go in the garbage today because I'm not dealing with all of this. So I definitely would not consider this unit an everyday unit at all. You know, when your hair looks good but it doesn't feel good, that's what this is giving me. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My cons on this unit is 100% going to be the tangling. That's my number one. Another con I had is like it's giving me helmet hair vibes on the top, which I'm absolutely not here for. Other than that, I don't really necessarily have any other cons. I feel like those are my two major ones. This unit is pretty simple. My pros on it are going to be, I really do like the wave pattern, and even though it's not coming out the way that I wanted to, I do like the fact that with the silicone sprays, it bounced back pretty nicely. Even if it doesn't feel super nice, I like that it looks super nice, that it kind of brought its curl pattern back. So if you're willing to put the work into it, I feel like it's definitely worth it. In person, I feel like it's a little bit lighter than it looks on camera. But as a whole, I feel like this is pretty cute. You won't necessarily be disappointed if you pick it up because, like I said, it's at a good price point. The look of it is really cute. It's definitely a throw in and go, but if you're looking for something that's going to be long lasting and for you to maintain on an everyday basis, I wouldn't necessarily recommend it. But honestly, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want to pick up in any of the colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye. You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you made no flow. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats. Wading in the water, having drifted.